This 1-ounce tin costs $100 for some weird green dust that your favorite influencer goons to sleep over. But why does a powder made from the exact same plant as your Lipton tea bag cost more than a prime steak dinner? This is episode 8 of Chasing Beauty, and today we're looking at the story behind matcha. Matcha originates from the Camellia sinensis plant. If you pick the leaves and let them fully oxidize, you get black tea. If you steam them immediately to stop that oxidation, you get green tea. Matcha is actually green tea with a very specific kind of manipulation. It's born in the dark. 20 to 30 days before harvest, farmers covered the tea bushes with black netting or straw, effectively removing 90% of sunlight from the plant. This forces the chemical composition of the plant to shift. Higher chlorophyll, brighter color, and a sweeter, more umami profile. The highest grade of matcha, ceremonial, is typically pulled from the first spring harvest, the cleanest, softest growth of the year. Once picked, the leaves are steamed, air dried, and then deveined and destemmed. If you've ever wondered why cheap matcha tastes like literal grass and dirt, it's likely because the whole leaf was tossed in. High-grade ceremonial matcha uses only the meat of the leaf, called tencha. It's the culinary equivalent of a filet mignon versus a hot dog. To get that ultra-fine, silk-like texture, the tencha is ground between two granite stones. This is not a high-speed industrial process. If you go too fast, the friction cooks the matcha and ruins the delicate flavor profile. It takes a traditional stone mill roughly 1 hour to produce just 30 grams of matcha. This results in a powder so fine it doesn't dissolve in water, it suspends, creating a frothy, creamy beverage that hits your tongue with a wave of umami. But matcha has another secret, L-theanine. It's packed with this unique amino acid that promotes relaxation without the drowsiness. When paired with matcha's high caffeine content, you don't get the coffee jitters. It's a 4-hour steady burn instead of a 30-minute spike and then a crash 4 hours later. Next time you see that goon whisking their bright green bowl on your feed, now you know. They're drinking time-honed craftsmanship, 20 days of darkness, and an hour of stone-cold patience. But they honestly probably have no idea. Peace.